friends, myself Ambika Sharma. So I'm going to introduce my channel which I have already started on YouTube. Okay, so the purpose of my channel to enlighten the public, to make them aware of their health and the modern lifestyle diseases and the steps to overcome that diseases. Okay, so first thing we'll discuss about fitness. What does fitness word means? Fitness means what? The all body components, rich of all body components. But the public have a myth. The public is having a myth. लोगों को ये झूठ ऐसा फील होता है कि that अगर हम घर के सब काम कर सकते हैं तो we are fit, we are strong. But it is wrong. When you and your systems are ready to perform an activity in case of emergency, means to ready to meet an emergency needs. So basically fitness means the all-round body development, means cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility and ideal body compositions. These are the 5 physical fitness components. When you are rich with these components, you will be called as a physically fit person. Okay, so one by one I will discuss these components. First, cardiovascular endurance. Cardio word is related to heart, and cardiovascular means the heart and the veins of the system. Means your heart is ready to pump maximum blood to the working tissues, means supply of blood to the working tissues. Okay, that is a cardiovascular endurance, means आपके हार्ट की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्षमता ब्लड को पंप करने की और आपके वर्किंग मसल्स तक पहुंचाने की विदाउट एनी इंटरप्शन. दैट इज अ कार्डियोवैस्कुलर एंड्योरेंस. Secondly, we'll discuss muscular endurance. So muscular endurance is again an endurance of a muscle to contract for a longer period of time, maybe aerobic or anaerobic. Now friends, the word aerobic means when your body, when you are performing any activity in the presence of oxygen. Example like football, like you are engaging yourself in basketball, long distance running, where you are inhaling and exhaling again and again is a aerobic activity. There also we require muscular endurance. There also we require cardiovascular endurance. There again we require muscular strength, ideal body composition and flexibility. The second term is anaerobic, means in the absence of oxygen. When you are working when your body is working in the absence of oxygen. Example like sprint activity, there you only inhale one time and exhale at the end. Same anaerobic respiration followed by weight trainings. The weight trainings followed by anaerobic respirations. In weight trainings we use Valsalva breathing pattern. Okay, for contraction movements, for when you are going against gravity, you are going towards gravity, there is a Valsalva breathing pattern which I will discuss in my next videos. Third, muscular strength means it is the ability of the muscles to work against resistance at the sub maximum level. Means आपके muscles की क्षमता, अपनी body से ज़्यादा weight उठाने की क्षमता, उसके साथ exercise करने की क्षमता, like as contraction phase में जाने की and relaxation phase में आने की, जिसको हम बोलते हैं concentric and eccentric phase. Means your muscle is ready to work against heavy weight, over resist बोलते हैं उसको. Okay, then point is flexibility. Flexibility means the range of movement in a joint, the range of motion in a joint, or means the ability of your muscles, the ability of your muscles and your joints to do all the stretching activities without any interruption. In case you are suffering from, in case your body is having a lack of flexibility, you will get injuries, very prone injuries. Your body is very prone to injuries. So friends, to develop flexibility, we have to do some stretching exercises, regular exercises, which will help you to develop flexibility. The last and the important point is ideal body composition. The many people think that BMI is the right term, but BMI is not the right term. it will just give you some ideal ratio, not that much ideal ratio. Okay, BMI is a body mass index. Everybody know about this term. So here we just calculate with the help of height and weight. We find out our BMI. But according to the fitness science, it's not an ideal thing, ideal term, because this only just give you example. This just only give you approx. For example, my height is 5'4" and my body weight is 65 kg. So in BMI you will get overweight. But if I go through with the fitness test, I will find out the ideal body mass and fat, and I will come to know, okay, how much fat my body is carrying and how much lean muscle my body is carrying. That is an exact term where we come to know the fat level and the lean mass, means healthy mass of our body. Okay friends, thank you so much friends. Please like, subscribe and watch. In my next videos, I will update 3 components which we have to follow for regular healthy lifestyle. Thank you friends. Bye bye.